Hello friends, Running Kimono here, your Walgreens preview for the week of the 18th to the 24th of February. We're going to talk about this booster 7 back when you spend 20 on Walgreens brand items. And then so if you're looking at the nuts, top left hand corner, the buy one get two for free bags, and then the $1.99 toilet paper, that 7 back when you spend 20 will be able to accomplish that really quickly, and something we will investigate on Sunday. Quick word to the wise, most Valentine's Day merchandise online and in-store is 50% off. However, they made the Squishimals back to full price, which isn't very Valentine's Day friendly because I know a lot of us wanted Hello Kitty for like $4.99. So just keep an eye on it. And I know in store it's bringing up also full price. So it's just the breaks over there. They need to fix something because I hate it when this happens. But I know a lot of you, ask for a price check before buying with that Valentine's Day stuff because it is a bit, you don't want to pay full price for this stuff. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, February the 18th. And before we dive into the deals, if you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It really helps me and the channel out. So take a second and like the video if you love Walgreens. Thanks so much, guys, in advance. Okay, guess what's back? $1.99 ARM HAMMER Laundry Care. Oh my gosh, this is the time to stock up. They did make the bottles a bit smaller, but it's still 21 loads, which is a good amount of laundry detergent. So if you are in need, definitely be on the lookout for those Sunday. Now we're going to talk about some free dental care. The $3 Oral-B or Crest. We have a 3 off 2 digital and then a $3 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of the Oral-B brushes at $3 each, that's 6. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 3. Get back a $3 register reward, making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And ask the cashier, are the register rewards printing? Because for whatever stupid reason they were and they weren't last week. It was really stupid, but just ask. It's always free to ask. L'Oreal Elvive is 2 for $9, so that's $4.50 each. About $1 off. It's usually like $5.49 for one bottle. We're going to load the following, which is the IVC coupon, which is a 2 off a 2. And then we also have either a 4 off a 2. I have a 3 off a 2 digital. So, yeah, there's supposed to be another coupon showing up on Sunday morning. So how exciting is that? We'll have to wait and see what it is. But grabbing 2 of those bottles, it's going to be $9 on the nose. Subtracting your 3 off 2 digital and the 2 off 2 IVC. You're paying $4 for the 2 or $2 per bottle of shampoo or conditioner. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, for all of you that really like the Colgate line, they're $4 on Sunday, 3 off 2 digital, and then a $3 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 tubes for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per tube of toothpaste. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I'm not sure if the toothbrushes are included in this. It's a little bit more than the Crest Oral-B, but if you love Colgate, a deal. Now we're looking at this one, 2 for $10, and then a $2 reward when you buy 1. We also have a 50-cent digital off of a Charmin toilet paper, so make sure you have that loaded. Our deal here, 2 for $10, subtracting that big 50-cent digital coupon, you're going to pay $9.50. Get back one $2 register reward, making it $7.50 for the 2 or $3.75 per pack of Charmin. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I know that some of you prefer Charmin over any other toilet paper, so this might be a stock up price pour vous. Okay, now we're looking at an old favorite, the Dawn Dish Liquid. For $1.24, reward when you buy 2 of them. Grabbing 2 of them, it's $2.48. Get back that $1 register reward. It's $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. They have recently shrinkflated this guy to like 5.8 ounces from 7.5. So that's why a lot of us are trying to stock up, especially if you give a lot of these away. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you plan to do this deal with no booster, and the register reward will only print once one per transaction. So say you wanted to grab like 4, break it up into 2 separate transactions, and I'm definitely stocking up on these ones. Now, I don't know if you're anything like me, but I love to clean with the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. There's a $3 reward when you buy 3 of them, and they're $3.29 a pop. Grabbing 3 boxes of it, it's $9.87. You're going to get back a $3 register reward, making it $6.87 for the 3, or $2.29 for a box of 2 magic erasers. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but definitely a staple if you are doing a lot of deep cleaning. Okay, now we're going to discuss some honorable mentions in this video. The first goes to the food. We have 2 for $7 for the Quaker Oats. It makes it $3.50 per box, and there's a good amount of envelopes in there. 2 for $4 for the Pop-Tarts. BOGO free for Fruity Pebbles, any Post cereal, and BOGO free for the Lindsay Olives. Now, Kellogg's has 2 for $5. I did look on the different rebate apps. I'm not seeing any rebates yet, but maybe something will pop up on Sunday, so definitely keep an eye out for that. The Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand, we have a buy one, get 2 for free. Plus, we have a 7 back when you spend 20 on Walgreens brand stuff. So this is going to be fantastic. And then BOGO 50% off on Axe, Dove, deodorants, body sprays, and then a $3 cash reward when you buy 2. We'll have to see the digital coupons for that on Sunday. Maybe a deal. And then this Airwick starter kit for $12.49. Typically at pharmacies, this guy is about $18. Yeah. We have a 6 off coupon, so it'll make it $6.49 for this starter pack that includes the sprayer and the oil. Now, I know a lot of you love the Olay Super Serum. The Big Mama is still $34.99. We have a $10 digital coupon dropping that down to $24.99. And what kind of discount codes will we have for curbside orders to get even more off of this? We'll have to wait and see for the curbside video, probably Monday or Tuesday, to make that happen. And then for the Tide Pods, $12.99 for the free and gentle one that I like. A $3 digital, dropping this down to $9.99. That's probably the cheapest, like cheaper than Walmart for this product. I love it because it's like the exact amount of detergent that you need. You don't overspill with liquid, so that's a stock up price. Before I take off, guys, I made a YouTube short yesterday. We have a date for the Dollar General clearance event. It will be taking place March 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Items that are specifically found in the clearance section, additional 50% off on those dates only. Towards the end of February, I'll have another matchup video for you guys on how to get stuff for free. But because there was such a large penny list earlier in February, when they pull out these gray totes, I'm thinking a lot of us are going to find pennies if we were finding none at these stores, because sometimes they just box up clearance stuff, put it in the back room, and then they pull it out for the clearance event. They don't have time to go through every single thing, and this might be a penny bonanza for a lot of us, so that's what I'm really hoping. I know some stores there was nothing in the clearance section because everything's in these gray totes in the back, and they only pull them out during clearance events. So your homework this weekend for Dollar General, if you're a Dollar General shopper, go into your store and see what they might have clearance wise. Even if it's not ringing up for a penny, just like, what do they have there? Is this worth your time? Yes or no? I would start scouting stores right now. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.